Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington with a premier off-road custom shop in the DFW area. And we're here at 7:30 this morning waiting on Charles to get here. He's got a 2019 Lexus GX 460. We did a 2.5-inch Dobinson's lift kit. I've been talking with Dobinson's for quite some time now, getting the lift kit that I think is going to be the best for his vehicle. He's pairing it with some Raceline wheels as well as some 285/65 Cooper tires. Everything's going to look great. He's going to drop off here. He'll be here at about 8 a.m. We're just waiting on him right now. I actually see him pulling up right now, but I'm about to go greet him, and then he's gonna drop the vehicle off, and by this afternoon, hopefully he'll have his dream Lexus build come true. So this is the Central Alps side. These are our office spaces. Back here is the shop. This is what you're wanting to see.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
These look
Yes,
familiar.
sir. Those are them.
Look familiar. Yeah. Cool.
Smooth. But yeah, this is Manuel. This is one of our techs.
Come on, Manuel.
Stefan may not be here yet, but Stefan will be working on the vehicle today.
Okay.
But yeah, man, we just repainted the shop, so you're getting to see it new.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, show me the spacers. I want to see what that was
Come
about.
follow me. So these are your parts over here. Here's your spacers. You got 3 of them. This is to prevent that lean.
Yeah, and that's off the KSS.
And it sits on top.
Okay, cool, man.
Yep. And there's 2 more in here. The hardware is included. And then these are all your coils, shocks, all that good stuff.
Yeah, well, those highway tires running them off road. No point. Yeah.
Perfect, man.
Dobinson's. Cool, y'all. Can't wait to see it, man.
It's gonna look good.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, my name's Charles Moorhead. This is my 19 Lexus GX 460. It's stock. I bought this for a work vehicle, actually. I work in the oil fields of West Texas, and I looked at everything around, and for what I get in this vehicle, comfortness, dependability, definitely. It's got a V8 in it. Fuel economy is not all that great, but this is what I wanted. This thing has more bells and whistles on it than everything. You'll see these in Africa and South America. You don't see Jeeps and everything else in South America. You see these. And I'm getting a lift on it today from Colton. He did a lot of research on it. I needed something that not necessarily sport. I needed something for work and durability and long-term use. This is a highway vehicle and off-road vehicle all in the same day every day. And we're going to see what it turns out to be like. Dude, yes! Perfect! Freaking awesome! Hell yes! Perfect! No trimming. Good. Badass, dude. Nice. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Those rims, I did good on the rims.
They match so well.
Yes.
They really do.
Man, I was so scared. They're going, oh, dude, this is cool, man.
Yes, sir. And then you can see come up here and take a look at the strut in the front. You got your shock on the inside and then your coil.
Yes, sir. Dobinson's.
Smooth, man.
Nice, nice.
I got you. Come on.
That is
It
cool.
looks good, man.
She's a new vehicle now. We're gonna see how it goes. And Central Alps done me a bang up job. Appreciate it.